Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the Knob by the Hob. Hello darlings, Steve Davies here, Knob by the Hob, and today I'm going to do a crispy duck leg salad. So I've got 4 duck legs here, got these from Waitrose, you can get them from Tesco's as well. Just prick the skin with, well, just prick the skin, a little fork or whatever, and then just put on, I've got some good old Anglesey sea salt, and a little pepper, and then just stick them in the oven on 200 degrees for an hour and a half, okay, because we want it all well cooked and the skin really crispy. So we'll stick it in the oven for an hour and a half. So I've roasted these duck legs on about 200 degrees in the oven for about an hour and a half. Turned it up a little bit at the end just to crisp up the skins. Now sometimes I just leave it like that, make a salad and have a little bit of plum chutney or whatever and just eat it like that. Or you can put rice with it or whatever you want. But today I'm going to make something a bit fancier for you. So I'm going to shred the duck up and then I'm going to make my own little plum sauce, similar to how I've done with the figs really. Caramelize some plums. Like I did with the figs, just a little bit of honey. That was good for caramelizing. The plums. A little squeeze of orange. Orange is great with duck. I'll put a little bit more orange on at the end, but a little squeeze of orange. And a drizzle of olive oil. And just let that caramelize for 10 minutes. Then I'll just shred the duck. It's very easy because it's quite well cooked, so it'll just come off the bone very easily. With the crispy skin, keep the skin. I mean, if you want to be healthy, you can take it off, but that's all the flavours in there. It's really lovely. So just like you do at the Chinese restaurant, you know, just shred it all up. Yeah, Adam loves duck, so we don't have it like, you know. We have it like a couple of times a month, I suppose. Sometimes we have a whole duck, but yeah, we do like duck. They're obviously a bit fattier, but... The plums are caramelising. Now I've bought a plum chutney from Tesco's. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in there. Just to give it a bit more. So that's done now. It's like a take on the crispy duck which you have in the Chinese restaurants. So take a bed of baby gem lettuce. So have a little bed of that. Then take the duck that you've shredded, put that over the baby gem. There it is. And then here, I've got a spring onion and cucumber, yeah? Like you'd have when you'd have the crispy spring roll, the crispy duck. Sprinkle that over the top. And then take your plum sauce. You cannot, I put it on warm. You can actually leave it to get a bit colder if you want. Spring onions there to dress, and then a little smattering of pomegranate. And there you have it, your plum duck salad. So this is my plum duck salad, and if you like my recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.